So, you plugged in your Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus to the charger, and out of the blue, the screen screams with a beep warning, "Unplug Charger Immediately." We have detected moisture or foreign material in your charging or USB port. It might look a bit scary at first, but don't worry. Let's walk through a few quick fixes to sort it out. First, press OK on the warning message. Unplug the charger immediately and turn the phone off. Once it's powered off, try to dry the charging port. You can use a soft piece of cloth, a small hand blower, or even a portable fan. Anything that gently pushes air into the port will help remove moisture. Avoid using anything sharp inside the port, like a SIM ejector tool, paperclip, Q-tip, or a hairdryer, because hot air can damage the port. Just let it dry naturally. At the same time, take a quick look at the charger pin or cable as well. Make sure it's clean and completely dry. If there's any moisture there, wipe it gently with a dry cloth. Now, leave the phone for about 30 minutes and then try plugging it in again. If you still see the water droplet warning, there's another thing you can try. If you have a Ziploc bag and some silica gel packets, put the silica gel inside the bag. Place the phone in there along with the charger cable and seal the bag tightly. Leave it there for a couple of hours so the silica gel can absorb the moisture. After that, take the phone out, turn it on, and try charging again. The warning should go away. If not, try using another Type-C cable if you have one, or you can temporarily charge the phone using a wireless charger until the port completely dries out. In most cases, once the moisture is gone, the warning disappears and charging works normally again. Let us know in the comments if your problem is fixed. Thanks for your time.